Hi guys, welcome back to another video from bleh.
Looking for someone I could take with me. Blast off, I did hit like spaceship. Is it you, baby? Ooh, what it do? What it do, baby girl? What it do? Is you true? If you is, then I'm gonna rock with you. Can't keep getting blues. Yeah, I just want love, love, love. Yeah. Baby girl, she just wanna yeah, turned up.
Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be trying the turmeric face mask. I've heard it's been really good. I've heard people's skin has really improved from it. I'm going to be doing it for 5 days just because it can be harsh on the skin. So I'm going to try it for 5 days, once a day for the next 5 days, and then we're going to see how my skin improves. So as you can see, I've got a few impurities on my skin. I have this here, and then I've got a spot there. I've got some dark marks here. This side is my worst side of my face. So I've got here, and then they're coming down here, spots and dark marks, and going onto my neck as well for dark marks. So let's put this mask on and see what my skin looks like after. So I have the face turmeric here. I made it into a thick paste, not too runny and not too thick either. And I'm using a brush because, as I said earlier, this does stain. I brought a separate bowl, a separate brush just for this. Alright, so let's put this on. So this is the face mask on. I'm going to leave this for around 30 minutes to 45 minutes for it to completely dry. Forgot to tell you guys what I used to make this. So some people just use turmeric and water, but looking through all the videos, I found out that if we use other ingredients, it makes it more effective. So I used turmeric powder with a little bit of warm water. I also used half a lemon, squeezed it in there, a teaspoonful of honey, and 1.5 teaspoons of plain yogurt. Mixed it all together. If it was getting a bit too runny, then I'll just put some more turmeric powder in there and continued mixing it. So I'm going to leave this on for 30 minutes to 45 minutes, and then I'll be back to show you what it looks like when it's completely dry, and then we'll wash it off and see if my skin looks any better. So guys, I'm back, and it has been 35 minutes since I've left this on, and it's very, very dry. It's gone really powdery, so it's kind of just like flaking off here and there, but it's dry. My hands are already like getting stained and stuff, so you know, I'm gonna go and wash this off now, and then we're gonna see how good my skin looks. So guys, I've washed off the mask. It was very messy. I would advise getting gloves, you know, to mix it, to wash your face off with, because my hands are stained. But this is my skin. So this one has got a lot more colour to it. It's very white now than it was before, but it's smoother to touch. I have washed my hands before touching my face, just a disclaimer there. Let's go on this side. That's what this side looks like. That's my neck going round. That spot is still there. This side is really not bad at all. But yeah, that's my skin after, directly after drying my face, after washing the mask off. Now I'm going to cleanse my face and put some moisturizer on my face, and then I'll show you how my skin looks after that. So this is what my face looks like when I've cleansed and moisturized my face. My skin's burning a little bit, but it's not a bad burn. This is like a tingly sensation. But I'm happy with my skin. It looks okay. This thing here, very annoying. That really needs to go. But you know, the appearance of my skin is not bad. It's just the dark marks. The complexion looks okay. So yeah, I'm alright with that. So that was day 1. We're going to do this for the next 4 days, and let's see if my skin improves. Hi guys, welcome back. So this is day 2. I've still got this white one here. Got this dark patch from a while ago. That's how my skin's looking today. Give you a little close up. How my neck's looking. This is me, nothing on my face. I haven't washed my face. I haven't, just made sure there's nothing in my eyes or nothing. Use no products today. So we're gonna go ahead and put the turmeric on, and I'll be back. So guys, it has been just over 20 minutes and I've checked my face and it's literally really dry. It was burning and tingling for a bit, but it's all right now. Yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead, wash this off, and I'm gonna cleanse my face, you know, put some coconut oil on my face, make my skin feel nice, and then I'll show you what it looks like for day 2. So guys, this is what my face is looking like. I've still got this mark here that's very white. This side is looking really nice and smooth. The same color all over. Just got this one spot here and just a few dark marks there. That's what my face looks like from the front. I'm looking quite brown and glowy naturally, which I like. This side, my neck, dark marks are still there, but this side is not too bad. If I can focus it a bit more. So yeah, it's not too bad. Dark marks there and up here, and a spot there. I think it's improving, maybe. But all I know is that my skin feels good and the colour of my skin is looking really nice. So that's day 2, and I'll be back for day 3 of this turmeric mask. Guys, I forgot to ask you guys to please comment in the comments if you've tried this turmeric mask and how it worked for you. Please like, subscribe, press the bell so you get notified of all of my new videos. I'm going to be trying to upload once a week, probably more if I can, but please subscribe and let me know what other videos you guys want to see, whether it's beauty, fashion, anything. Let me know in the comments, and you know, I will try and provide. So today is day 3 of using the turmeric mask. I feel like my face, the colour is getting nicer. This side is still pretty bad with dark marks. My neck is pretty bad as well. Still got this one here, but I feel like this side is kind of clearing up a little bit. I'm going to go ahead and put the mask on today, and then let's see how my skin looks after. So I've had this on for about 20 minutes now and it's completely dry. As you can see, yeah, there's nothing really coming off, just the little flakes and stuff. So I'm gonna go and wash this off, cleanse my face, cream my face, and then we'll see what the progress is saying today. So I've washed off the face mask and this is what my skin looks like. It's looking glowy, like see my T-zone, just that natural glow already. This side is looking alright. Can't really see much difference as of yet. This one is still here. Not much difference down here either to these ones. Don't have any this side, but this side I have here and all. Can't really see that much difference, besides my skin is a lot smoother and my face colour seems brighter, and my skin has that natural glow. It's not dull. Running on day 3, still 2 more days to go. Let me know if any of you have tried it and what you guys think, and if it worked for you, because at the moment I can't really see that much difference. So yeah, let me know, and I'll be back tomorrow to do the process all over again. Hi guys, welcome to day 4. Sunlight is a lot today, very bright. As you can see, I've still got dark marks here. My neck has just not changed at all. This side of my face, still got that one there, but it's turning into a mark, and the dark marks, I still got that here. I'll move the camera forward, you can kind of see a little bit more. My face colour looks lovely. So let's go and put the treatment mask on, and then we'll see how it looks after. Mask is on. Let this dry for around, well, I keep saying 30 to 45 minutes, but it usually takes around 20 minutes. So I'm gonna let that dry, and then I'll show you what it looks like dry, and then we'll take off the mask. So guys, the mask is dry. It's been about just under 20 minutes and it's dry. Doesn't really feel tight anymore. But yeah, it's just crumbs, turmeric just flaking everywhere. So I'm going to wash this off, cream my face, cleanse my face, and then we'll see if there's any difference today. So after day 4, I think I can see a little bit of difference, maybe not that much difference. My skin feels a lot smoother to touch. Still marks here, but they're slightly faded. On this side, the marks are still there. This one I think has faded a little bit, tiny little bit, it's faded. But overall I think so far my skin colour has been improved. I had a lot of more visible spots at the start of the week. I had a couple here, one here. They've reduced, so that's good. But that's all the difference I can see right now. Tomorrow's the last day, so let's see how tomorrow goes. So this is the last day today, guys, and I think I can see some minor changes. So this here was a lot whiter at the start of the week, and now it's kind of starting to shrink in size. This was a big spot, and now it's just like a mark, so it's kind of smooth over. As I keep saying, my skin colour looks better. No change at all to these ones down here. No change at all. But let's put the mask on for the 5th day, and let's see if there's any changes afterwards. So the mask is on. I'm going to leave this on until it dries, and then we'll see what my face is looking like for day 5. So the mask is dry now. It's been about 25 to 30 minutes and it's completely dry. So I'm gonna take this off, wash my face, cleanse my face, put some coconut oil on my face, and then we'll look at the final product. So it's the end of day 5. I'm not going to do this anymore just because it could potentially stain my skin, but I think my skin looks nice. I'm feeling it. There's still blemishes on my skin, like here and here and up, and then just down here and then around here. My skin looks bright. I like, look at my skin, it's just naturally glowing across my T-zone, like, yeah. So for me, I would say that the turmeric mask did work. It did reduce some of my blemishes. It did improve my skin texture and also my skin color. So my skin looks, you know, my skin color's brighter, should I say. Don't look as dull anymore. I will be placing 2 pictures above so you can compare start of the week to now. But yeah, I like it. Comment in the comment section how you found it, if you did it, or let me know any other beauty tricks and tips that you have for me, and I'll do a video on them too. Yeah, skin's looking good. A1. Subscribe, like, comment, share this video if it helps anybody. I'll be glad, and I'll see you guys in my next video.